Hey guys, it's your girl and I am back with a video showing you how I did my banana deep conditioner, and this is how it looks. But before we get into that, let's see how I made it. I've used 2 bananas and I'm going to add some vitamin E oil. I just kind of did what I wanted to do. Just if it was good enough, I just added. I didn't measure any oil. I added some Jamaican black castor oil with peppermint, and then I went ahead and added some coconut oil that I do have in a bottle. That's why it looks like that. And then all I did was mix it together with a fork. I don't have a blender, and I suggest that if you want to try this, please get a blender because I'm going to tell you why later on in this video. So all I did was apply the conditioner to my hair as usual, the same way you apply any deep conditioner, just making sure that it gets in the root to the tips and just, just massage it up in there. I would say putting on this deep conditioner, it was kind of, I don't know, it was weird. Maybe because it was bananas, but it wasn't moisturizing. It didn't feel dry. It just, I don't know, I guess it just felt weird because to me, in my mind, I'm like, you know what, I'm putting bananas on my hair, but I'm going to give it a try and see how it works because this year I just want to do all natural deep conditioners. I want to try to just make all my conditioners. As far as moisturizers, I'm just using aloe vera juice. Shampoos, I'm just going to be using the apple cider vinegar and some water, and I'll just be doing that once a month. But I'm really on this natural hair care with using only natural products. So back to this video, because I will definitely get into that in a later video. I am just going to continue to apply this conditioner on my hair as so. Yeah, I really can't tell from just applying it how it's going to be, but it is definitely, something weird. The consistency is weird, the texture is weird, but like I said, I want to just give all natural products a try. So I'm just going to apply it all over my hair like such, and then I'm going to put it in a clip because I did get a steamer. Shout out to my boyfriend that bought me a hair steamer. I've been dying for it. So I'm just going to put it into a clip and I'm going to sit under my steamer. So if you want to see, well, if you want to get this steamer, I would definitely leave the clip down below because it was really cheap. It was $40 from Groupon. So I would definitely get it and give it in the description box so whoever wants to try it. And this is just me sitting under the steamer. I sat under the steamer for about 25 to 30 minutes. And this is how my hair looked after. It was kind of stiff. Like I said, my first impression, maybe it was just the bananas. But once I washed out my hair, it was so freaking soft. I don't know if it was the combination of the deep conditioner and the steamer, because the steamer is supposed to open your cuticles and get the the deep conditioner inside, but my hair was super soft. And I did just show you, like, I do have clumps of the bananas still in my hair. That's why I suggest that if you're going to do this, definitely use a blender. Or one of my friends suggested that I use baby food, like the 100% baby food with bananas instead. But other than that, my hair was super, super soft, and I actually loved the results. To get the bananas out, all I did was honestly just comb my hair and it came out. So thank you guys so much for watching. Just a quick, tutorial. Definitely try this. Definitely see how it works, and let me know what you decide to do. As always, guys, comment, rate, and subscribe.